Holy shit. My legs are on fire. Man, this metal's sick. Oh, we got video. Oh, this floor is coming. That's some serious chunk of metal. It's amazing it even rusted. That is so thick, that steel there. But look at, that's World War II bullet hole action there, right there. Blitzkrieg shit. Flak.
We can take that right straight down.
Right straight through?
Right straight through.
Right straight through. Here we go. How the hell do you open these packages? Are you recording? Okay, you gotta explain what I'm doing, because I don't even know what I'm doing. Ooh. Oh yeah, baby. How long do you think since the last time that was apart? Back in 1970? How about that, eh? 1970, when it was put together, probably. There we go. Come on, you can help too. Got a part there. Look at that, hey Derek?
Perfect.
These bolts are gonna be, we can probably reuse these. They're in good nick. And whatever that is, it came off. Okay, and that was it, eh?
No, two inside ones.
Two inside ones? Oh yeah, oh shit. You think we'll get those ones too? Get on there. Like butter, Derek. Like butter, buddy. Maybe I'm stuck. Look at that.
Sweet. There's two more back here.
Is there?
On each side.
Are they greased?
Yep.
And they're on the inside? Oh yeah. This one looks a bit rotten. Gotta get on there. So I don't think this one's gonna be, I don't think this one's gonna come out easy. Derek's on the case. What case are you working on, Derek?
Frame mounts.
Case of the frame mounts. Instructions. Look at that. Gotta have instructions. We got this thing jacked up. This is frame mount. Goes right in there. Nifty cool. This is our country style jack system. Hey Derek? Country style.
Yeah.
Holy shit, Derek. That is brutally on there. Wow. We just, oh, that's a long story. That's a long story. I'll tell you that story one day. We just every tool,
Zeph, no, here. Here, baby.
every tool.
Come on, we're gonna go back.
Woo! Early morning, Saturday morning. Derek's on the case.
We gotta get these nuts out of here.
He's talking about nuts first thing in the morning. Grinded nuts. What do we got there, Derek? Look at that hole. And we got some Southern Rock. Whoop, whoop. All right, let me get those nuts out. Not only is he the 327 king, he's got the what do they call this? What we're doing, Derek?
Rocker panel.
Rocker panel
Frame mount.
frame mounts.
More.
Fixing what the hell is that shit there? Fixing that shit there.
New cab floor.
New cab floors and stuff. Whoop whoop. This is gonna be wicked. Lucas! What the hell? What the hell's going on in there, Derek?
Hey, just go welded your patch in.
Some creaking and groaning going
Oh, yeah,
on.
that's an old beast there. Look at that classic. Oh, it's all happening. Look at. Woo! It's all going on. It's the wife. It's the wife. Don't hit nothing, babe. Hey, big guy. Oh, it's a good boy. What's it? I've been working on this patch right there for hours. Derek showed me how to do it. He is the best teacher ever. Look at that. Damn! Derek!
So myself personally,
You should have been a teacher, Derek.
I would have taped that in there
Oh,
from the outside.
Yeah, hang on.
And,
How cool is that? Woohoo! We can do the rest from out here, I think. That is so cool, Derek. Hang on, we got a fire. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. We're good. Keep it on him.
Keep it on him.
On him.
On him.
On him.
How's it going, Cam?
Good, how are you guys?
We've been working hard for 2 days. No, day. 1 day and a bit.
What's changed?
Come see what we got going. That's my tea. Ooh. Yeah, baby. We had not finished all the welding and everything, but we got the floor pan in. Yeah. Needs some welding and bits and pieces and stuff, and this got in. We got the piece that goes underneath there in, and the piece that's fixed underneath there. We had to build this piece. Now, we're ticking around with this piece. What do they call that there? Corner cordon, what? Cab corner. Goes on there like, something like that. What? And it's all like brand new. Get that squeeze. These things were made in China. Can you say that? They don't have 1970 K10s in China, that's for sure.
I might have taken the sticker off.
They're going off a photograph, I think. The amount of work we have to do, though. Anyway, yeah, pretty cool, eh? Took the doors off. The doors weigh more than I do, Derek. Hey,
Yes.
took like 3 people to carry a door. But anyway, it's looking good. Thumbs up.